Hello everyone. Welcome to this tutorial where I'll show you how to improve your file renaming tasks using a powerful tool called Bulk Rename Utility. If you often deal with renaming multiple files, whether for organizing documents, photos, or any other reason, this tool can save you a lot of time. The best part? It's free for personal use. Just search for Bulk Rename Utility in your browser and download it. Now, let's dive into how to use this amazing tool. Once you install and open the app, you might feel overwhelmed by the interface, but don't worry. I'll guide you through it step by step. At the top, you'll see a file explorer where you can navigate to the folder containing the files you want to rename. Below that, there are multiple options to modify file names, and we'll go through the most useful ones. Let's start with a simple example: renaming a batch of PDF files. To replace text in file names, use the Replace section. For example, if you want to change FY24 to Invoice 24, just enter it in the Replace field and hit Preview. Looks great. If you're happy with the changes, click Rename. You can also add or replace specific text in PDF file names, such as inserting invoice before the document name. Similarly, if you need to add today's date, date created, last date the file was modified, or any other specific date to file names, use the Date section and customize the format. You can add the date either at the beginning or at the end of the file name. Another great feature is adding sequential numbers or dates to file names. If you have a set of documents and want to number them automatically, use the Numbering section. You can choose the starting number, increment, and even position the number at the beginning or end of the file name. Sometimes, you might need to change file extensions, like renaming .txt files to .csv. Use the Extension section to quickly modify or remove extensions from multiple files at once. Before renaming files, you might want to create a backup list of the current file names in Excel. To do this, you can copy file names directly from Bulk Rename Utility. Once you have this list in Excel, you can use it to plan your renaming process. One of the most powerful uses of Bulk Rename Utility is renaming files using data from an Excel sheet. If you have a spreadsheet containing old PDF file names and their corresponding new names, you can use it to rename files in bulk. First, export your Excel sheet to a CSV format. Then, use a simple script or Bulk Rename Utility's import feature to match and rename files automatically. This method is incredibly useful for handling large datasets efficiently. Always double-check your file names in the preview before confirming changes. If If you ever make a mistake, don't worry. Bulk Rename Utility has an undo feature, or you can always test changes using the preview option before renaming. And that's it. You now know how to use Bulk Rename Utility to speed up your file renaming tasks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on improving your workflow. Have any questions? Let me know in the comments, and I'll be happy to help.